Hi there. In today's session, we are going to tackle one of the biggest challenges in learning English, the pronunciation of at suffix. Look at this list of words and pay attention. You see, all the words end in at, don't they? But what do you think? Does the at in those words have the same pronunciation? Marvelous! Some of them are indeed pronounced differently. They have different sounds. Here is the rule. In English, the at suffix has three different pronunciations: it, d, t. And now you are wondering how to differentiate them. Great question. Let me explain. 1. At sounds it. Rule. When the base word ends in the sounds t or d, the at is pronounced as it. Examples. Need. This word ends with the sound d. When we add at, it becomes needed, pronounced needed. Want. This word ends with the sound t, doesn't it? So in its past form, it's pronounced as wanted. Wanted. Got it? Great, let's move on. 2. At sounds d. Rule. When the base word ends in a voiced sound, the at is pronounced as d. What is a voiced sound? Voiced sounds include b, d, g, v, z, z, j, j, m, n, l, r, y, w, and all vowel sounds. Tip. You don't need to memorize these symbols. Instead, place your fingers on your vocal cords. If they vibrate, the sound is voiced. Let's try say b, b, b. Feel the vibration? That's a voiced sound. Examples. Clean. This word ends with the sound n, which is voiced. In its past form, cleaned is pronounced cleaned. Agree. This word ends with the vowel sound e, which is voiced. So, agreed is pronounced agreed. Call. The L sound is a voiced. In its past form, called is pronounced called. 3. At sounds t. Rule. When the base word ends in a voiceless sound, the at is pronounced as t. What is a voiceless sound? Voiceless sounds include p, t, k, f, s, ch, h. Tip. Place your fingers on your vocal cords. If they don't vibrate, the sound is voiceless. P, t, k, f, s, ch, h. Examples. Talk. This word ends with the sound k, which is voiceless. In its past form, it's pronounced talked. Talked. Watch. This word ends with the sound ch, which is voiceless. In its past form, it's pronounced watch. Watch. Laugh. This word ends with the sound f, which is voiceless. In its past form, it's pronounced laughed. Laughed. Conclusion. The at suffix can be pronounced in three ways. 1. At sounds it. When the base word ends in t or d. Example. Wanted, needed. 2. At sounds d. When the base word ends in a voiced sound. Example. Cleaned, cold. 3. At sounds t. when the base word ends in a voiceless sound. Example: talked, watched. Let's practice. How do you pronounce these words? Great job. Loved, pronounced loved. The ed sounds d. Walked, pronounced walked. The ed sounds t. Started, pronounced started. The ed sounds id. Remember, it's completely normal to make mistakes when learning. With practice, you'll improve. Keep working on these ed sounds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.